In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a presentation in Canva using the built-in Canva screen recording feature. It's actually pretty simple once you know where to click. First, open your existing presentation or create one using Canva presentation templates. Once your design is ready, go to the top right corner and click Present. From the drop-down, select Present and Record. This is the key option for recording Canva presentations with audio and webcam. Now choose your starting page and click Recording Studio. Canva will open the recording studio and ask for permission to access your microphone and camera. Make sure you allow access so your voice can be recorded properly. And you can also enable your webcam if needed. Click Start Recording, and after the countdown, begin presenting your slides. You can move through your slides while speaking. This is basically how you do a voiceover presentation in Canva. When you're done, click End Recording. Canva will automatically generate a shareable link, and you can also download the presentation recording as an MP4 file. And that's it. You now know how to record and export Canva presentations easily.